Introducing the new album from Digital Prosperity, Grow Your Damn Business.
Hey there, it's James Francis here. Get to 6 figures a year from scratch, from zero, without selling your soul to the devil. Everything started to kick off in a big way. Everyone was freaking out, right? Myself included. We all didn't have a clue what was going on, right? And businesses were closing their doors, making these emotional knee-jerk reactions to stop all of their advertising, ramming offers down people's throats until they buy and they submit and they tap out like, no more offers, please. Then you ram them with 5 more upsells, and then they just have a terrible customer experience. Facebook, oh Facebook, how I love and loathe you. Your account has been disabled. This is our final decision. You are worthless, and you are nothing more important than what's on the bottom of that shoe. Trigger happy with account bans, which is ridiculous. I have a rage with Facebook right now. There are tons, hundreds of different traffic sources out there. Your business is flatlining. Your business is flatlining. Stick to your promises. Your business is flatlining. You're a failure! Think about it and it will happen. You are not getting the results that you're looking for online. You are currently making a mistake. Failure. The truth is, if you're not doing anything, if you're just procrastinating the whole getting started thing, and you're learning and waiting for the perfect moment to get started, you're failing. That's still failing, because anything other than making a profit is failure. And if you're not making a profit, you're failing. Paralysis by analysis. So overwhelmed with everything. That's not how a CEO, or at least a successful CEO, would manage a successful business. Everyone has their own lifestyle and their own busy day. But that's it. Everyone has their own day. Everyone has the same 24 hours. So what you do with those 24 hours is up to you.